But it's not straight. Should you put it straight or you don't care?
No, it's okay.
Yeah?
It'll be good.
That one was much farther. Oh, look at my gloves. Up on top.
Yeah, I think you left them there.
I need to get the shovel. Yeah, try that first. That is incredible. Actually, seriously, you ski jump, you're like, real. I know, it's hard though to land it. Incredible, eh, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. How cool, huh? It's gonna be a good jump. Yeah. With a lot of air.
I don't know, Matt. Don't make it too high at first. You have to try it.
I know.
That's too high.
Oh, oh my God.
Matt, it's too high.
I'm just putting it on the side, like that. It's gonna be a long landing. So long. I'm gonna go too far. Testing. I will. That's incredible.
I think it's too much.
How?
He's gonna kill himself.
He races motocross.
I know, but this is a GT.
He's pretty good. He won't kill himself. Did you get enough air? That? You think we can pull a trick in the air? Pretty far. After we get a good jump, we do tricks.
Are you okay?
Yep. Yeah, yeah. It's here.
But I told you this was dangerous. Hey, it's dangerous, is it?
'Cause I leaned back. Matthew, I landed right here. Yeah, I know. That was incredible.
Okay, don't make any higher, Matthew. I don't want it.
Okay. Oh, that's a record. My turn. Let me try killing. Okay.
Take it easy at first, Matthew. It's high.
Ready? Yeah. Matthew, you landed right here. I ate a bit of snow. How far that is?
Maybe you guys should try to over here. Go from here like that. At least you land on snow, you don't gonna hurt.
Yeah. Yeah, like right like here.
Go from there, like that, from here, and make the jump here. Yeah, you guys go on top, and I'm gonna make you jump right now.
Make it a nice one. I'll flip the camera. Gabriel, I didn't even lean up on that one. That's dangerous, that jump. I know, you gotta lean so forward.
This is not safe if there's not enough snow, eh?
Yeah.
Yo, Matt's gotta try this.
Look at your chicken.
You start from way down there, you come over here, and then make the jump here, you land on all that snow.
Yeah.
I think it'd be safer.
Yeah.